Hello everyone. Wish you all a very happy Diwali. In today's Diwali Pick series, we will be talking about a stock from the auto space. My name is Arun Agarwal and I track automotive, cement, building materials and consumer durable sectors at the Kotak PCG research team. Mahindra Mahindra as a stock has given tremendous return in recent period. Overall, if you look at the business model, the company has got two broader businesses. One is a tractor and the other is auto business. In the auto business, the company has done pretty well in recent times with good launches. The overall order book position in the SUV segment is quite strong for the company. The overall monsoons have been good and we expect tractor segment also to pick up for the company going forward. In terms of margins, we expect the overall margins for the company to improve going ahead. Broadly on two counts. One, the tailwinds from commodity price decline that we saw in recent months. And secondly, also from the operating leverage that the company could get from their auto business with higher volumes. The stock is available at attractive valuation. We have a fair value of 1500 rupees on the stock and a buy rating. So Mahindra & Mahindra is one of our preferred buys in the auto space. Thank you.
Investments in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.